Welcome. In this guide, we will walk through the essential steps to creating your own YouTube channel. Whether you are starting for business, education, or personal branding, this process is straightforward and accessible to everyone. This tutorial will provide clear instructions on how to set up your channel efficiently. The process is user-friendly and can be completed in just a few steps. Please ensure you are in a comfortable environment and ready to follow along as we begin. The first requirement is a Google account. If you do not already have one, you will need to create it. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Visit the Google sign-up page to register. Once your account is active, navigate to YouTube and select the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Use your Google account credentials to log in. After signing in, you are ready to create your YouTube channel. This next step is completed directly on the YouTube platform. With your channel established, it is important to customize its appearance. Begin by selecting a profile picture. This image represents your channel and should be professional and relevant to your content. Next, add a channel banner. This visual element is displayed at the top of your channel page and serves as a first impression for visitors. Choose a design that aligns with your brand or message. Ensure your banner is visually appealing and clearly communicates the focus of your channel. Consider creating a channel trailer. This is a brief introductory video that informs new visitors about your channel's purpose and content. It should be concise and clearly outline what viewers can expect. Use the trailer to highlight your value proposition and encourage viewers to subscribe. Finally, write a channel description. This section allows you to introduce yourself and describe the type of content you will provide. Be clear, concise, and professional to attract your target audience. Now it's time to think about what you're going to share on your channel. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about? Click that camera icon at the top of the YouTube page and select Upload Video. Choose your file, add a catchy title and description, and set your thumbnail. A thumbnail is like a preview image for your video. Make it eye-catching. Don't stress too much about making it perfect. The most important thing is to start creating and sharing. You'll learn and improve with every video you make, so go for it. And there you have it, guys. You've just created your very own YouTube channel. How awesome is that? Remember, the key is to have fun, be yourself, and keep creating. Your channel will grow and evolve just like you do. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips. Can't wait to see what amazing content you'll create. Until next time, happy YouTubing!